Meanwhile, with dog, dog's point of view, parrot's point of view, okay, basically to explain this, oh gosh, this poor parrot, I need to spray it with a cure before it's contaminated. Okay, it's not contaminated, but basically this is how it works. Parrot flies, flute in its mouth. Do not mind that the flute is like very poorly made. Oh yeah, I think it must have fell into the trash can. Oh well. Oh gosh, cat, no cat. Okay, so if parrot gets captured, and dog also gets captured, cause dog be like, then often be like, then dog gets turned into remnant soup. But then parrot over here dies. This is what I meant by an ocelot. This ocelot over here grants you 2 wishes. Only if it's not toast and coffee. Because if it's toast and coffee, cat will attack. JK, actually it won't attack. Unless you literally start by like pulling out a knife and then like going like stabby stab 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 stab. And then cat will curse you by putting you in a box that is indestructible. With no toast or free coffee. So I think I know how would it play out. I just want to imagine how would it play out where like literally just one of the Athens just hit their head on the wall and pass out just because they were just chasing the parrots and it's like then just for Athens stuff literally chasing that parrot be like Hope now parrot is dead. And how does an Athens even make a remnants or whatever it's called? Like, do they go like? Can that mean? Okay, never mind. This thing will probably explode if I try to. So Parrot gets frozen. Yes, this thing's called Mr. Parrot. Something that was actually part of my profile picture. And this is all that's left. Except if ever you touch the feather, it comes back to life, even more mad than usual. Okay, so yeah. That's it, and yeah. Bye, guys, and always stay safe.